Hey everybody, it's Lynn from A Bit of Birdsong, and I have the current zine or e-zine, which I just posted in the Ko-fi shop. This one is August 2025 or summer 2025. And the first thing I want to say, so I don't forget to say it, the margins on mine are always wider than I think most people are going to end up with, because I have a very cheap Hewlett-Packard printer that I absolutely love, but after I bought it, one of the issues that I found is common for people who have it is that the margins print really funny unless you set it for uniform margins. So it might come all the way over to one side and be more of a gap on the other side, which gets the pages off center. Anyway, I set my margins to uniform so that they're uniform all the way around. I don't think that's very specific to my printer, so I don't want you to look at that and say, well, why is there such a margin around there? So this one I think is a lot of fun. I love to put pictures in here that you can cut out. You're welcome to use these in your personal journal. I don't even care if they go in your journals that you're going to sell. I just ask that you don't, resell these as digitals. But I like to put little quotes in here and little thoughts. You can either print it as a zine to put in your collection. I have all of my zines together, and I like to pull them off the shelf sometimes and just look through them. It's inspiring. So you can just save it as a zine if you collect zines. They're a lot of fun. Or you can just print the pages and cut things out. I try to put a little comic type thing in each one. I try to put some of my drawings from, throughout the month or whatever. Quotations are good, reminders of why journaling is so good for us, and just bits of ephemera, things that I find. So that is the current one. It is in the shop. They are $5, and once you pay, you get the high resolution files that you can download and print out so that you have your own zine. And then once you pay for it, you have the files so you can use them over and over again. Anyway, it really supports the shop too. It supports me so much, and I truly, truly appreciate it. I'm hoping to be back later today with the Fiber Arts Friday packs. I don't have a definite time. That is something I'm working on. I'm trying to get better about having them ready prior to Friday so that I can give you a time, and that way you know what time they're going to be in the shop. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. I'll be back really soon, and bye for now.